Hi there, my name's George and I'm the Head of Customer Success for ClientShare. So in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can really easily add a license to your ClientShare workspace. So important to remember that only admins will have the ability, admins and owners will have the ability to add licenses to their account. So if these settings don't appear for you, then it may be that you need to contact your admin and get your role updated. So first and foremost, you click on your profile on the top right here, and then you go to organization settings. So as you can see, there's a number of settings that appear here in the settings tab, and you go to the licenses section of this, and you can see here that you've got the ability to edit and customize and view all of your existing licenses. So you can see here I've got 128. Simply to add a license, you click the add license button, put in the name of the client, add the logo, add any of the account managers that should be associated with that license. You can also select the workspace that they go into as well, depending on what sector of the business that they sit in. And if you have the Microsoft Dynamics integration live, you can also select the Dynamics companies that appear within your CRM. Once you hit add license, the account manager will receive an email letting them know that they've been given access to a new license. It's that simple. If you have any questions, please do get in touch. Thanks very much.